Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your history class. Let's continue lesson number 7, the Mauryan Empire. Today, we are going to study in detail about Bindusara. After ruling for 26 years, Chandragupta adopted Jainism and became a monk. His son Bindusara took over the Maurya throne in 297 BC. After his death, his son Ashoka took over the throne. Now, we will study in detail about Ashoka the Great. Ashoka was born in 302 BC. During his father Bindusara's reign, he was made the governor of Takshila and Ujjain. He ascended the throne in 272 BC. However, his coronation took place much later in 268 BC. Ashoka proved to be the most famous of all Mauryan rulers. His contribution to India's heritage is immense. In fact, Ashoka continued among the greatest rulers India has ever had. Many incidents took place in Ashoka's life. In that, one is the Battle of Kalinga. When Ashoka took over the throne, Kalinga, present-day Odisha, was the only state in the east not under the domain of Mauryan Empire. He attacked the state with full force. Thousands of men were killed, wounded, or taken prisoners. The suffering caused to the people gave Ashoka much grief. After the Battle of Kalinga, he embraced Buddhism, adopted the policy of ahimsa or non-violence, and came to be known as Devanama Priya, or the beloved of the gods. He is the only king in history to have given up fighting wars after a victory. He is also the first emperor to have reached out to his people by inscribing his messages on rocks and pillars.